Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to find Emirates Skywards membership number online. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below, which shows the latest offers and deals. To start, open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email or Emirates Skywards number and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your name. And now you will see your membership number. That's how you find Emirates Skywards membership number online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.